Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create the perfect balance of beauty and power inspired by the legendary snake hair goddess Medusa. So if you want to know how to build a Medusa style outfit using in-game items in DTI, just watch this video. So now let's just get started. So now for the hair, here I'm using this two hair from the lock hair category and color it all black. And now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to head into the dressing room. Now you can put on this top from the Lady Gaga items. This one's in here. Change the first color to this snake patterns like this, and the second one use this green color like this. Click on the code items tabs and now put on this mermaid top and use the green color. So here is the hex code for the green color, and go to the battle updates in here and put on this flower. Now change the leaves color into green, and the roses I'm going to use gold color. So this is the hex code for the gold color in here. Go back to the code items and put on this long dress from code items, this one, and change the color, combine in between green and black. And for the last item, I'm going to go back to gold. Click on the rewards item tab and put on this nails, long nails in here. Change the color into green and gold accent. Also this one, just use the same color, this, and put on this seashell crown. Use the green color again for all of the preview. Okay, so now you can go out, and here I'm going to use this skirt. You can toggle it into white and change the color to this pattern. Add to the accessory section and put on this hat piece. Use the green color for all of the preview. Now put on this necklace, this one. Change the color, toggle it into number 3 and change the color to black. And that's it. So this will be the final look for Medusa inspired outfits in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.